This is how to connect Vercel with GitHub. After you have signed up, click Connect with GitHub. Put your username and password of your GitHub, or you can connect with Google. So we'll connect with Google. I'll choose an account. Scroll down and just click Authorize Vercel. Then now you can see here your GitHub. You can now build a project, for instance, this one, and just click Create. Then we have created our first project. Let's go to Continue to Dashboard, and you can see here your repository in GitHub. So this is how to connect Vercel with GitHub.